am Kayla with WTI, and meet my son's favorite stuffy. This is Santiago. This amazing snow leopard from Wild Republic is huge. He's 30 inches. This is not your typical size stuffed animal. He's nice and squishy and fluffy, but he has a really nice firm body, which allows him to hold his shape. I just love how big he is. My son has a few different snow leopard stuffed animals because they are his favorite animal, but this one I think might top them all. He is so soft, he's so snuggly. He sits on my son's bed and is almost the size of a gigantic pillow. You can see just how large when he's sitting here on my lap. It's like a little mini dog, but in a snow leopard stuffy form. He's fun to play with, but also fun to use just as decoration. He lines up so well with all of the other stuffed animals right on the bed. This snow leopard from Wild Republic is just so beautiful and huggable, and he would be the perfect gift for any snow leopard lover or just any child. But that's just my point of view.